There are 6 dangers to which you, as practitioners of the Dharma, can succumb if you have faith, but do not give up fame and fortune. The danger is that you will eventually fall into living a very ordinary life, so beware. If you dwell in a hermitage, but have no resolve, the danger is that you will eventually fall into distraction, so beware. If you show signs of spiritual accomplishment, but do not give up your pride in them, the danger is that you will eventually be carried away by Maras, so beware. If you attract oath-bound guardians, but lack compassion, the danger is that you will eventually commit some unpardonable act, so beware. If your intention is lofty, but you do not do away with your fixations, the danger is that you will eventually become impervious to the Dharma, so beware.